Tracking showers and thunderstorms right now on Storm Patrol Viper. The big thunderstorm is in Charlotte County. You can see it right here. We had more thunderstorms in Lee and even Collier County. Those have kind of faded away. This is the one that we're really going to focus in on. Let's use our street level mapping. Zoom right in, show you where the rain is the heaviest. Showers really not moving all that much. Might be moving from the southeast to the northwest, but they're creeping. It's been raining very hard, raining to beat the band, to use a phrase my dad used to say. But you can see Port Charlotte, Punta Gorda, almost all of Charlotte County with the exception of the Cape Hayes Peninsula getting some of that heavy rain. And we have to mention there's a lot of lightning there too. So if you're in Charlotte County, probably wait this one out for the next half hour before you head on out to the corner to grab that quart of milk. Here's I-75 in Colonial. That's where we have a shower. And granted, it's not that heavy. This shower has dissipated significantly in the last 45 minutes or so. This one looked pretty good as it made its way toward the Matanzas Pass Bridge, but now it's just a light rain that's overtaken Fort Myers Beach and Bonita Beach, a very light rain, more of a sprinkle than anything. This was an active thunderstorm, still a few lightning strikes here, but obviously a diminishing thunderstorm, and it looks like this one's going to rain itself out likely in the next 15 to 20 minutes or so. Now, even though a lot of these showers are dissipating, we still think we're going to have some showers that develop, maybe because of an outflow boundary between now and even at 10 o'clock. We're going to have a few lingering showers showing up. So if you're heading out this evening, make sure you have the umbrella with you. Partly cloudy by 5 a.m. And again, another muggy start for us with 76 degrees, but that east to southeasterly wind came back today. That's the reason we're seeing those late afternoon showers and thunderstorms in southwest Florida. Big question is, how long does the wet weather stick around, and does it stick around for the weekend? Liza Fernandez has all the answers.
Well, let's start out with Vipercast and take a look at our in-house model here. And you can see by 9 p.m. we're still seeing a good amount of showers and storms around southwest Florida. We'll set the model into motion, and even into the early morning hours, looks like we could be seeing some raindrops before those showers finally push out into the Gulf. 9 a.m. rolls around, and we'll be seeing a good amount of sunshine, but check out the wind arrows out of the southeast, and they're pretty long, so that means that we'll be seeing a considerable wind out of the southeast tomorrow to start the day, and as we work our way throughout the day, those winds will be sticking with us, and one of two things could happen. They could continue their push, and any showers and storms that do develop will really just develop along the coast and push out, or our sea breeze could start to develop, and that could help storms really start firing off, and we could see more rain. I think the first scenario is likely what is going to happen. And as you can see, by 3 o'clock, just a little bit of rain here in southern Collier County. And as we work our way to the commute hour around 5, 6 o'clock, as we continue on, not seeing much more activity as you saw there. So it's looking like tomorrow will be a drier day. And that is going to be also because of an area of low pressure we're watching in the mid-levels of the atmosphere. You can see the rotation here on water vapor imagery. And on the western side of it, typically is drier air. So the southeasterly winds coming at a good clip, along with drier air in the mid-levels of the atmosphere, are going to limit the amount of rain and storms that we see tomorrow. Here's a look at our Power 4 zone forecast. The warmest temperatures inland, increasing clouds with a few afternoon storms clipping by. Same deal for Charlotte Harbor, low 90s here, gusty with a few afternoon storms. For our coastal locations, more of the same, and along the beaches, we'll be seeing the little bit cooler temperatures here with upper 80s to low 90s, gusty, and a few afternoon storms. Boaters, looks like things are getting a little bit more difficult for you. Winds out of the southeast at 10 to 15 knots, seas at 2 to 3 feet, and bay and inland waters at a moderate chop. And a look at the next 7 days. Friday, when that upper level low finally does move overhead, we'll see an uptick in our rain chances, and rain chances going down slightly for the weekend. And we want